Hello my dear students of class 6, welcome to maths class. So students, as we are doing the chapter number 3, that is understanding elementary shapes, and we already learned about the angles. So today we will learn about how to make the angles. In this figure we have a half circle, or we can say that a semicircle, and there are some numbers we have written on this: 0, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and similarly from here 0, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75 and 90. So this is the instrument for measuring the angle, is called protractor. This is the protractor. How will we measure the angle by this protractor? The student, we have two types of angle, from the left side and from the right side. If we have the angle from this side, like that, if you want to measure this angle, only this angle, if we want to measure this angle, and this is the vertex, these are two rays, the first is that, and then second is that, and similarly we can say that about this angle, this is the first ray and this is the second ray, and the angle is the space between both these lines, both these rays or lines. If we want to measure angle between this ray and this ray, so this space is called the angle between these two lines. In this case, a common point we have here, this is the vertex, so we will measure the angle according to the inner side of the numbers: 0, 15, 30, then 45, then 60, then we have 75, then we have 90. Okay, so 90. Till 90 we have all the angles are acute angle, and now this is 90-degree angle, that means right angle. After that we have obtuse angle. So we are moving like that, like that. Okay students. After that we have here 105 and 120. We only see the inner side numbers here. So this is obtuse angle. We are going to obtuse angle again. 135, 150, 165, and after that 180 is completed here. If we measure the angle from this side to this side, but if we want to measure angle from this side, now our angle is this side. Okay, so this is two rays, these are two rays, and the space between them is known as the angle. So we will measure the outside numbers: 0, 15, then 30 we have. So all acute angle are moving. Angle, this angle we have here, and this is the vertex, the common point between two rays. Is that clear? Now we are moving right side again, 75 acute angle. After that we have 90-degree angle, that is right angle again. Now we have obtuse angle, and we are moving again and again and again, and we are getting the 180 point here, and this is the straight angle we have. So from this side, if we are measuring the angle, so we will count the number from the outside, and if this side we are measuring, so we will count the number of inner side. Okay student, now this instrument is known as the protractor. So now student, we will do with some examples. Now measurement of angles we have here. We have some angles. Now we will measure these angles. Now angle this side is going. So what will we do? This is our protractor. So we will put this protractor half of the portion, because we are observing this side of angles. So what will we do? We will put the half portion exactly. This is the line. We can see this is the line, and this line this line put on the first ray exactly. Okay students, now we will measure the angle, and we will read the inner side numbers here. Okay, this is the acute angle, we can see that. Now we will measure the inner side numbers here. Outside we have 120, and inner side we have here 60 degrees. So this angle is exactly how much degree? 60 degree we have. Okay students. Now in the next figure we have, this is the figure, this angle, again this side angle. Now we will again put this protractor here, and inner side angle we will read. Inner side we have 110 degree, and this is the obtuse angle. We can see that this is the obtuse angle. So the measurement of this angle is 110 degree. Now we want to measure this side angle. So what will we do? We will put half portion of this side. Exactly. Okay, students? Okay. Now we will read, because we are measuring this side angles. So we will observe the outside numbers here. So inner side we have 120 and outside we have 60 here. So this is the measurement of the angle 60 degree. Acute angle, and this angle is the measurement of 60 degree. Okay, students. Now in this figure we can see that this is 90 degree. There is no need to measurement. This is exactly 90 degree and this is exactly 180 degree as we done in the previous video. Now in the next figure, this is very important figure. This angle we need to measure. So how will we measure this angle? Just add this line. So this angle is exactly 180 degree. Now we want to measure this angle only. Now what will we do? We will put our protractor like that. Okay, students, and we just need to measure this angle from this line to this line. How much it is? Inner side we have, that is 30 degree we have. Only 30 degree we have. So this complete angle is 180 degree and 30 degree we have. So the total angle is 180 degree plus 30 degree, that is 210 degree. So the angle from here to here is 210 degree, or we can say that it is a reflex angle. And complete angle, we know about that, a complete circle or a complete revolution is equal to 360 there 60 degree. So student, there are some questions you need to find out the measurement of the angles. Okay students, have a good day.